Hi, I'm John, I'm hungry, and today we're going to be repairing this 2008 iMac with a failed hard drive. I can't be asked buying a new drive, so I'm just going to steal one. Alrighty, and here is our precious SSD. Well, I don't have a suction tool, but I do have this cap thing. So that takes care of it pretty well. I lost my T9 drill bit, but T8 seems to be working completely fine. Ugh, I don't know how I'm going to fix that, but I'll get around to it. Long story short, this piece is now optional, and I can get the RAM back in. Right, so now I should just be able to... Cool. I will find a way to get the hard drive out. I can use the optional piece as a kickstand. I've extracted the hard drive and its funny wire that I hope isn't important. Alright, SSD time. Oh god. I don't like working with the screen like this, I feel like it's going to fall over. That's one. That's two. Easy. Right, now we're back on this side. I can plug in the display video cable that I don't understand and will probably have to fiddle with for a little bit. Alright, now it's time to start screwing all of these back in. These screws are optional now. All that's left to do is give this a bit of a clean, which I'm going to do away from here. And for the finishing touch, easy. Alright, let's power it on and see if my repair was successful. We have Apple. The repair was pretty easy. I reckon most people will be able to do it with basic knowledge of computers. It's nowhere as easy as the G5, and you do need a couple of Torx screwdrivers, which are a little bit annoying to find sometimes. But if you've got all of that, then yeah, definitely attempt this repair. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.